Mommy's going to make a letter. Can you see the letter? And you, Gracie, tell me what letter. Okay, what letter is that?
A. A. G. M. O. P. Z. R. E. D. 7.
I tricked you. That's a number, huh? Okay, what else? Let's see. What's that one?
8.
Very good. What's that?
E.
Very good. What's this?
L.
Very good. What does this spell?
Grace.
What does that spell?
Gray.
Good. What does this spell?
M-A-M-A, mommy.
Mama. How about this one?
D-D-D-D-Y, daddy.
Very good, Gracie. What's this number?
3.
Very good. Do you know this number? That's a hard one. You remember that one? This one? That's hard. That's 9. We'll circle the 9. Gracie, you did a nice job. Can you make a smiley face for us?
No.
Make a smiley face right here on the paper. Can you make a nice smiley face? Look at that big smile.
What about hair, Gracie? Can you make some hair?
Good. How about some ears? There's one ear. Where's the other ear? Good job. Does this guy have hands? Can you make some hands for him? There's one hand. Where's another hand? That's great. How about some feet?
Oh, looks like he has shoes on, Gracie.
Great! Yay! Does he need anything else? He's all good? That's a nice man. Do you want to show Daddy your man? Okay. Maybe the light is behind it. Did you see the man? We got the face, the eyes,
Beautiful.
the nose, the hair. Here's the ears. This is the arm and the hand, and the other arm and hand, and then the 2 legs and feet.
With shoes on.
Yep. Can you draw
Very
some
good.
crosses? That's a big cross. Can you make a little one right here?
Little tiny one. Very good, Gracie.
You like to draw, don't you? It's a nice cross. Yeah. Do you know anything about crosses? Who died on the cross?
Jesus.
Yeah. Why?
Because he died on the grass.
Why did he die on the cross? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. So, you did a good job, Gracie.
Alright, tapos na.
Say bye-bye.
Paalam.
What are you drawing on the man? What is that? Oh, he has a little owlie on his chin?
Yeah.
Looks like a cross. Is it a cross?
I don't know.
Nice.